New at noon, a couple in Douglas County is recovering in the hospital after high exposure to carbon monoxide. The Douglas County Sheriff's Office says a 911 call came in around 10:30 last night. The caller reported her husband was having a heart attack or heart attack symptoms and later a seizure. After the dispatcher learned the pair had recently turned on their furnace, they were urged to evacuate right away. Deputies and fire agencies responded to the rural Garfield home. The couple was airlifted to a local hospital for treatment. State fire officials are launching a new statewide push to save lives from the silent killer. Today, 8 Minnesota fire departments are installing carbon monoxide alarms in homes at no cost. Our Barrett Leone joins us live in studio to tell us more about this campaign. Barrett.
Well, Shayla, each year across the country, hundreds of people die from carbon monoxide poisoning. And because you can't see, smell, or taste CO, it can build up to toxic and even sometimes deadly levels. That's why the State Fire Marshal's Office says prevention and education is so important, especially as we head into the colder months. Now, this new campaign focuses on communities at higher risk for CO poisoning, like Rochester. State fire officials are teaming up with local partners to distribute and install 2,500 alarms to fire departments across the state, while also educating residents on carbon monoxide poisoning. It's made possible through federal grants. We heard from a mother whose 2 sons died from CO poisoning in the 1990s. The loss inspired federal legislation in their name. She says having an alarm is the difference between life and death.
We are out here advocating for alarms in every home because that is really the only way that you will know that you have this monster that is a killer in your home.
And part of that funding for this program comes from the Nicholas and Zachary Burt Memorial Carbon Monoxide Poisoning Prevention Act of 2021. Along with Rochester, state fire officials are handing out alarms in Austin, Bemidji, Brainerd, Duluth, Red Wing, Virginia, and Wilmer.
All right. Always important to get those out and do our best to save lives. Our Barrett Leone reporting. Thanks so much, Barrett.